Wear headphones for better experience. Wait. Before watching the video,
make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our videos.
Yesterday, Apple released the latest version of iOS, that is iOS 15. So in this video, we'll be showing you guys how to update your iPhone. So let's get into it. The devices that are compatible with iOS 15 are to make sure there is no data loss, backup before updating. This is not important. You can either update your iPhone using iTunes or from the settings. In order to update your iPhone, first of all, go to Settings, swipe down and tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. Now wait for a minute. Once you get the iOS 15 pop-up below, tap on that. Now click on Download and Install. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. After clicking on that, you will be asked to enter your passcode. After entering the passcode, wait for a few seconds. You will get a pop-up to agree the terms and conditions. Then click on Agree. And after a few seconds, you can see that your download has started. Once the download has finished, you will get a pop-up below to install. Click on that and it will start to install iOS 15 update. Make sure that you leave your device plugged in. Once it reboots, you can see that your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15. Thank you for watching and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications.